So I've not posted a longer video up now for a week or so, and that's because I've just been so busy. Travelling here, travelling there. I feel blessed at being able to do what I do, to travel around the country, around the world, sharing my practice, sharing my thoughts. But sometimes that can come at a cost. Sometimes we can become a little too busy, and that leads to tiredness, exhaustion, sometimes burnout. What can we do? Well, I find that by having a regular, and I mean daily, spiritual practice gives me a foundation, a cornerstone, and it's something tangible, my practice, that I can access, even at times when I don't feel like doing it. But by making that, and it's a positive statement to yourself, without an agenda, you're not looking to fix the tiredness, the exhaustion, the burnout, you're just dedicating some time purely to yourself, and with that time, it then changes or reveals your perspective on yourself, on your life. It doesn't mean that the tiredness, the exhaustion goes away. When you're more aware of how you feel, well then you can maybe not allow life to get too busy, but it's inevitable sometimes. Life is life. So I just want to thank you for subscribing, and thank you to the new subscribers. And also, if you'd like to let me know what sort of content you'd like me to put up. I enjoy sharing the breathing, the pranayama, the asana even, or just to simply share my musings, my thoughts. But let me know in the comments. This is my channel, but it's what we share together. It's a two-way process. So if you like the video, do the thing, like the video, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And thank you for watching.